Good morning, I'm Tina Jennings.
And I'm Heather Stricker. Well, are you or someone you love suffering from back pain, knee pain, neuropathy, headaches, fibromyalgia, or are you simply tired all the time?
Well, Dr. Sophie Jacob is here to tell us how she can help eliminate your pain naturally and help you regain your vitality. Also joining us is Michelle Joyner, who is a patient of the doctor's. Ladies, thank you so much for being here.
Of course, thank you.
So, doctor, is that true that you really can help us get rid of that pain?
I have helped patients eliminate people's pain for 20 years. As a chiropractor, doing clinical nutrition, and I come from a strong background of natural healing, as I'm a second generation from my dad. And one quote I absolutely love by Thomas A. Edison, he says, "The doctor of the future will give no medication, but will interest his patient in the care of the human frame, diet, and the cause and prevention of disease." So this is something I stand for every single day in my practice. And you know, I love to empower people by helping you getting out of pain, losing weight, and really giving you a chance to live your life to your fullest potential every day.
Well, that sounds great. I know so many people watching do suffer from fibromyalgia and knee pain and back pain, all of these conditions that we listed. So tell us how your patients are benefiting from your care.
Yes, of course. Well, first of all, I do address the nervous system at many angles. Okay, number one, with the adjustment. Number two, we work on the posture, because your posture not only makes you feel good and look good, it also dictates your function. I also use cutting-edge technology that will help you get inflammation out, get out of pain. It also restores ranges of motion, and it also improves your strength almost immediately. It repair and regenerate your tissues like your nerve, your cartilage, your tendons. And I will also work on the vascular system with another modality that enhances our microcirculation to your entire body and to the affected areas. Like as for neuropathy, you want to enhance blood circulation to your feet. You know, headaches and fibromyalgia and so on and so forth, so according to your conditions. And you know, there's three things you need to heal. You need good nerve supply for optimal healing and function. You need oxygen, and you also need good blood flow and circulation to make sure that all that fuels and nutrients go to our target tissues. And we all address them in my techniques. And I will oftentimes recommend specific nutrients to speed your healing process of your conditions too.
And I always like it, doctor, that you bring a patient that has gone through this with you so that we can kind of hear how it works. So, Michelle, kind of tell us your story and your success and really how you've benefited from this wonderful work that the doctor's done with you.
Yes, well, I've been suffering with fibromyalgia for quite some time, and I had kind of given up hope. I'd done some things that were helping and trying to manage, but I was really losing that battle. And so earlier this year, I think it might have been February, I started seeing Dr. Sophie. And so I've regained my strength, I've regained my energy, I'm in far less pain, and I was having, waking up feeling like I'd been hit by a truck every day. Didn't sleep well because the pain was interrupting my sleep. So it was just a downward cycle that I was on. And so now I'm sleeping well, I'm waking up feeling refreshed, like I can tackle the day, and I feel really like I have a chance now. I was just getting to that point where I was thinking, disability, I'm kind of young for that, and I didn't want to go that option. So This was a great relief.
Right. And you look great. It's obvious that this is really helping you, which I think is incredible. Now, I know a lot of people hear this and think, well, this would be great for me, but I'm afraid. What would you say to somebody who asks, is this going to hurt?
Oh, well, I have heard that from other friends. When you tell them you go to the chiropractor, they say that, oh, it hurts. No, it doesn't hurt. And Sophie's pretty gentle. I mean, she applies enough pressure to get things moving, but she doesn't ever yank you or make you feel like you've been pushed to the limits too far. And I think that some of the other technologies she's talked about, the laser and some of the things that she does to prepare you so that your body's relaxed and ready to get a manipulation, and letting those tendons and muscles and everything relax, and you don't just walk in and have your neck yanked. So that's different. I think that what Sophie does is prepare you for that. And I never felt in pain when I left her office. I always felt less pain immediately. So
which is what we were
what I was there for.
Yes. Now, and doctor, we're talking about health. What about when it comes to spinal adjustments? Why is that so important, or how that kind of plays into all this?
Well, remember something. Nervous system controls, coordinate the function of every organ, cells, and tissues of your body. So every adjustment will restore that flow of energy that's vital to sustain life. It helps with immune system. It helps with toxin elimination. And it also gets your body out of stress because your body can't repair and heal under stress. Remember one thing, what does not move, decay, and die. So the better mobility you have, posture you have, and alignment you have, the better health and vitality you will get. And I'm here to help you eliminate your pain, and so you can have a better life.
Well, I love that. And then you've brought so many patients on, and we see firsthand just how much this is helping people. And to sweeten the deal, we actually are going to have a special for our viewers this morning as well to come visit you for the first time. But anybody who's still on the fence, a little bit nervous, doctor, what would you say to them?
Well, I'm not sure what I will say. Just have faith.
Take a chance.
I have, like I mentioned, 20 years of experience. I have taken people's pain, I helped people eliminate pain for 20 years. So, and I work with the best doctor in the nation, and I stand for that. And like I said, this is my, my whole life of giving, and I give for people expertise, and not only to eliminate your pain, to help eliminate your pain, but also to help you losing weight, if such is the case.
Absolutely. And we've seen the proof right here on our show, Doctor. We can't thank you enough for joining us. And Michelle, thank you for sharing your story as well.
Thank you.
And as a special offer for the first 20 callers only, you can get a health, spinal, and neurological exam for only $69. That's a $200 savings. Again, that's for the first 20 callers who dial 891-2882. For more information, log on to wherehealingbegins.com.